welcome back to my channel, JoSum Akula. I am Jo. Today I want to share something really personal and helpful with you guys. Since my childhood, one season that I am really careful about or need to take additional care is winters. So I have been suffering from sinus allergies since my childhood, and since 2 years what I am noticing is my skin is definitely getting impacted in winter due to this allergy. My skin swells up, it becomes red, and really not a good picture to describe. And because of that, I'll have to halt everything at least for 3 or 4 days for me to recover. For the longest time, I struggled with constant congestion, headaches, the classic sneezing, and that annoying pressure around my eyes. I did end up in urgent care multiple times this year, but medications only gave me temporary relief and would always come back. That's when I decided to try an Ayurvedic route, which I've been hearing since a long time. I've spoken to some Ayurvedic doctors and they gave me this amazing remedy which has worked wonders for me. Guys, I'm not a doctor, nor am I trying to preach anything, okay? Here I'm only sharing what worked for me, and I can really vouch for this remedy because it worked for me. Sinus allergies are not easy to handle in winter. They can really make you uncomfortable. But remember one thing, guys, if you want to go the natural route like I did, nothing works overnight. Trust me on that, and you have to be consistent. And I have been consistently having this drink for at least 7 days, and I have seen a considerable amount of improvement, right? So let's see how this drink is made. There you go, guys. The drink is now ready. It is yellow, beautiful, smells earthy, but because we added some licorice and licorice powder and cinnamon, I can smell all those beautiful aromas. Please make an important note here. This is only based on my personal experience. So the catch is everybody's body is different, so it is very important to consult a professional. But Ayurveda is usually safe, and all the ingredients that I'm going to use are what you find in your kitchen on a daily basis. And please consult a professional, especially if you have any underlying conditions. If you are dealing with sinus issues like me, this natural remedy might be worth trying. And if you've tried everything around and nothing is working, then give this natural remedy a shot, guys. If you find this recipe helpful, please share this recipe with your friends and family who are suffering from sinus allergies, just like many of us. And let's hope this remedy helps everybody. So if you guys remember, last week I was still working on my second painting, and I'm so happy that it is ready now and I can show you guys. There you go. What do you think? This is called Dual Ascension because it has two colors, and it is, so this will be going into my website maybe today or tomorrow, or maybe it's already there. I have to check with my team, I'm not sure. So this painting, I mean, the two paintings that I've done in my previous video are both inspired by meditation. So this is my peace and calm paintings. And I am working on an amazing sized painting, which is taking a lot of time. It's been 6 months that I'm working on it, and it's not done yet. So you can imagine how intricate, because this painting has intricate details and it is quite time consuming, and painting is not easy, guys. You need to be in a mood to paint. So yeah, there are days I just skip, enjoy, and then I'm like, oh no, I have to finish my painting. So, and then I come back and do a little bit and then go back again. Then once that painting is done, I would love to show it off to you guys, because that is the longest I've worked on any painting, and I can't wait to get a feedback from you guys. So keep waiting for that painting. It's very difficult to give timelines when it comes to paintings, because it all depends on mood, your creative mind, so many other factors. So patience is the key. My today's 2 cents is definitely on importance of taking care of yourself. So treat your body like temple and keep it clean and take care of it, guys. Eat at home. I feel we are all inviting trouble into our body by eating out. So just cook hot meals and eat at home, and trust me, all the allergies, all the issues with your body will just vanish. On a funny note, I heard this one line or a joke on sinus allergies, and it's funny. My nose has trust issues with air. Why do allergies happen? Allergies happen because nature and your immune system disagree. So take care of yourself. Nature often holds the cure. We just have to be patient enough to try, because in today's day and age, we are so impatient. We just want quick fixes, and that's how we fall into trouble. Until I see you guys next Saturday at 9 a.m. PST, keep smiling. Bye-bye.